Hey there! Just got dental implant surgery, huh? Listen up, the next 48 hours are super important for a smooth recovery. There are a few things you should definitely avoid to steer clear of any painful complications. Stick around, and I'll give you the lowdown on what to watch out for. Hey, I'm Dr. Noor, your friendly dentist, and I'll help you through this healing process. All right, let's get started. For the first day or two after your surgery, you gotta take it real easy. We need to keep your heart rate low to control the bleeding. A little blood is good for healing, but too much ain't what we want. So, no intense workouts, no gym sessions, no treadmill runs, no wrestling with the kids, and no heavy gardening. Just chill and relax. If you want to go for a nice slow walk, that's fine. But remember, we don't want your heart racing. Why? Because when your heart rate goes up, blood pumps faster in the areas where we've done the surgery, and we definitely don't want any pressure that could tear those areas and mess up the healing process. Got it? Next up, here's something important to remember after your surgery. Stay away from anything too hot or too cold, especially while you're still numb. The cold isn't so much of a problem, but watch out for hot stuff. You could burn yourself or damage tissue if you drink something scorching without even realizing it. And here's another tip. Don't eat or drink anything right after the surgery while you're still numb. Some folks make the mistake of thinking they're doing great and start munching away, only to find out later that they've been biting their cheek or tongue without feeling it. Ouch! When that numbness wears off, it's going to be extra sore and uncomfortable. So, be smart and take it easy, all right? Another thing to keep in mind, I know we talked about this before, but it's super important to avoid smoking, spitting, or anything that creates suction. Why? Because any kind of suction, like sucking on a straw or a cigarette, can pull out the blood clot that's helping you heal. If that clot comes out, you'll get dry socket, and trust me, it's no fun. Pain, discomfort, and delayed healing are not what you want. So, to speed up your recovery, stay away from smoking and straws. And spitting? Not a good idea either. I know it feels natural to spit out extra blood or saliva, but it can dislodge the blood clot. If you have to get rid of some fluid, just lean over the sink and let it fall out, or use a cup. Also, avoid drinking alcohol for at least 48 hours after your surgery. Alcohol can mess with the healing process and can also react badly with any pain meds or antibiotics you might be taking. Stick to non-alcoholic drinks to help your body recover better. Another thing to do is try sleeping with your head a little higher than usual for the first few nights after surgery. It can help reduce swelling and bleeding. You can use an extra pillow or sleep in a recliner if that's more comfy. Now, listen up. Here's another thing. Don't touch the surgical site with your fingers or tongue. I know it's tempting to poke around, especially when you're numb or feeling better after a day or two. But resist the urge. Poking around or pulling your lip to look at the site can tear the sutures or mess up the healing process. Give it a good 24 to 48 hours to heal without any interference. Trust me, it's for your own good. Also, don't forget to make sure to take your antibiotics exactly as the doctor said. When we put in an implant, we're basically introducing a foreign object into your body, and your body's natural reaction is to fight it off. Antibiotics help calm things down and stop any infections from starting. Take them exactly as directed so you can heal up properly. On top of that, after you eat soft foods, you can rinse your mouth gently with warm salt water if you need to, but don't spit it out. Just let it fall out of your mouth. Also, stay away from hard foods because they could poke the extraction site or mess up the stitches. Now, if you got an implant crown or denture right away, stick to soft foods so you don't put any pressure on it. You don't want to twist or press on the area. Just let it heal naturally. We'll always schedule a follow-up appointment, either the next day or soon after, to go over the aftercare instructions again and check the surgery site to remove the sutures. Sometimes on the day of surgery, you're more worried about what's going to happen than about the aftercare instructions, so we make sure to follow up and answer any questions you have. Want more tips? If you want all the juicy details about what to eat and what to avoid after dental surgery, just click on the video and follow the link. I'll catch you there. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Keep smiling.